So Rachel is facing her first DUI arrest, and she asked me the following question. I'm a college student. I don't have very much money. It's a simple DUI. Do I need to hire an expensive attorney to make sure I get the best result? Well, Rachel, let's be clear about one thing first. Just because you pay a lot of money doesn't mean you get a good attorney. Now, usually good attorneys do cost a lot of money, but it doesn't necessarily go the other way around. So here's the situation you can afford with going with no attorney or a generic attorney that, your cousin recommended or something. First, the situation has to be that you were arrested in a jurisdiction that offers diversion for the type of charge that you're facing. In this particular case, we're talking about DUI. So does the jurisdiction offer a diversion program? Second, does your case qualify for that diversion program? Third, do you understand the program well enough to know what's going to happen when you finish it, know what steps it takes to get there, and probably more importantly, what happens if you don't finish it and get kicked out? Have you already entered a plea? Can you go back and fight the case? There's a lot of question marks there, and a lot of people don't finish diversion, so you need to be prepared for that if that time comes. And finally, you need to be prepared for a clunky experience. There's no doubt about it that there is a set process to go through and a certain way in which you got to do things to get the best or ideal result. If you go through the experience on your own where somebody who doesn't do DUI a lot, you may be repeating steps multiple times. And even more damaging, if you go to counseling session or go through your drug and alcohol counseling evaluation, if you aren't prepped on what that entails, you may walk out of there with 20 sessions when if we would have prepped you right, you'd walk out of there with 0. So it's not going to happen every time, but there's definitely benefits along the way. So the question remains, should you hire a lawyer for your first offense DUI? As a lawyer, of course, I'm going to say the answer to that is yes, but now you have a better understanding of what to do. Till next time.